I just got a new part for my Honda Civic right here. It's PRL Cobra cold air intake. Got the tubes, snap housing, the air filter, and then I got to change my oil at the same time. So yeah, here we are. Ooh, she's a little hot in there. Maybe I should have waited. This is where the cold air intake is going into, and then I gotta install the air filter, and then it should be good. And I gotta tighten down this hose right there, but we're almost done. And then I gotta change the oil after. Just got done. We're about to lower it and then test drive, see what it sounds like. Well, it's a moment of truth. Here she is. Now I gotta go test it out. And we just got some snow. Are you ready, boys and girls? Ooh, look at that snow. Got about like an inch and a half right now. Might hit 2, so we'll see. We'll see. So it's currently like 12 o'clock right now. I'm going to pick up Wote. We're going sliding. There's currently like, it's supposed to be like a blizzard or something tonight. 6 to 10 inches of snow, and I'm kind of trying to not go in the ditch right now, or not yet.
You will not hit that. Hard. Shit.
Go. It's over for me.
True. How much snow is there?
Almost hit the building.
True. That would have been bad. That car there. Jesus Christ, bro. I thought we were gonna have to make an ER trip there for a minute, bro.
Oh, we almost rolled this thing. Did a little hard drift. Probably pooped my pants, but we got it here. I'm putting 4-wheel drive. Rolls it.
Okay.
I think we can get out.
The approach is backwards.
Actually,
Otherwise, we're gonna have to bomb it forward. Try
we'll
backwards.
try backwards first. Nope.
Oh my god.
We got it.
No, we don't. This is right now.
We got it.
Oh no, that just made it worse. That just made it worse, bro.
No, we got it. Woody just asked me at like 11 o'clock if we should go muzzle loading. So that's what we're doing in the morning. And tomorrow is Sunday, and it's the last day of muzzle loading season. So yeah, hopefully we'll see something. What happened, Woody?
Brando walked out. Fucking making too much noise. Right in the morning, dude didn't wake up. We happened to dial 911. And then we spooked like dude here when we walked out.
Yeah, I didn't wake up. I was on my phone. I fell back asleep. Shit, it's big here. Oh.
Here, we'll wait for about like 20 minutes and then we'll go see if there's any blood. See you guys later. So it's been 20 minutes and I think it's dropped. We heard it crash.
Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Jesus Christ. Holy. Dude, look at the 17 pointer. See that? Oh, dude, I'm so excited.